Habibi, come to Dubai. It's sandstorm. Have sandstorm today. Look at that. Hindi mo na makita si Burj Khalifa. Saan si Burj Khalifa? Nandoon. Si Burj Khalifa hindi nakikita. La 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 la. Grabe, sandstorm ngayon. See? Ang address. Yan, grabe oh. Our cars is there. Naka-park malapit. Salay! Parang uulan. Ang tawag dito? Nagdalugdog. Ula ka, maulan na din among sakyanon. Our sakyanon is there. Maitim pala dyan. Our sakyanan is there, nakaharang. Okay, bye! Bye, my friend! Daming damit. Yeah, sandstorm. Nag-sandstorm din. Grabe. Oh, nagkunting ulan na siya. Oh! Pumapatak ng ulan. Umulan siya na mainit. Alalang, sama ng ugali. Sama ng ugali. Ala, yung manilabhan nila. Ay, yung sasakyan namin di pa naman lumubog ng ano. Wala pa namang tubig. Nandyan siya. Ito, this one. Yung may tao malapit sa basurahan. Hindi ko alam kung makikita bang umuulan. Kaluka lang. It's raining, man. No. Magtakbo. Yan. Ay, empty space. Ay, umulan. Nandun na. Makikita na si Burj Khalifa. Oh, there's an ebon in the trees. The ebon in the trees. Oh, yeah, you. After the sandstorm, nag-continue lang. Yalla, bye. Oh, I'm in the rain. Naulanan pa yung mga ignorante sa ulan. Mga taga Dubai, ignorante sa ulan. I'm walking in the rain. Ay, basa na ka! We're buying? Bibili daw ng Sprite. Look at it. Oh, now I... Hay! Ano? Wait. Hay! Muntik na. Balyo. May taxi pang dumaan. Impacto. You just go around. See, everything is ulan. I thought you will buy with the Sprite. You don't want to... You want to go now? Huh? Kalas, I will go down.
No, go there.
There? Say okay.
My car is engine problem.
Why? Your car also engine problem? Alala. I will push me. Ali, the taxi almost hit the door when I open it. Oh yeah. It's raining, but you know it's hot, humid or whatever. Ooh. Crazy weather in Dubai. And now I have money. This is money in Dubai. Where I go? I thought you do like this.
Okay.
Huh?
Traffic, I think too much.
Kalas, you just millet.